This is a 2021 Sylvan X3 Tri-Toon with a 150 horsepower engine on the back. It does have hydraulic steering. It is parked in a little bit in the storage here, but the boat's only a year old and in really good shape. As you can see, it's got the in-floor ski locker. Gonna get in the boat. The seats are in really good shape. This has got your classic walk-through, center walk-through, so you have a lot of space in the boat. As you can see, the seats are in really good shape. Dual captain's chairs. Cup holder, of course, next to the captain's chair. This boat also has a powered Bimini, which is nice. There's the captain's chair. Nice storage on the side console. Here's your dashboard. It's got the JL audio stereo upgrade. It has rear speakers on the back too, so a really nice stereo unit. All your gauges. It has a depth gauge as well too. Of course, tilt steering on this boat. The power button for the Bimini is right down there. Of course, the cup holders are lighted on this boat, and it also has mood lights underneath the seats. See in the back, the rear seats are in excellent shape as well. This boat has the plank flooring, of course, or teak weave they call it, in the weathered gray. This boat has dual batteries with a battery switch. It's in storage right now, so the batteries are disconnected, or I'd raise the power Bimini for you. It's got a 150 on the back. He's got his lily pad there, but there's dual speakers on the back as well too. And it has the extra wide stainless steel ladder to make it easy to get on and out of the boat. So this boat's in really good shape. It's hardly been used. As you can see, it's got a lot of space. So again, a 2021 Sylvan X3 Tri-Toon, 150 horsepower, listed by Chris Craig in Lake Fenton. Thank you very much.